Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll do a quinoa meal. It's like a salad. It can be prepared as a salad or as a hot meal. Whichever way you choose to do it, that's on you, boo. I love it hot, so I usually would heat it up a little bit and then do my hot sauce on it. You know me and my heat. I have to have a little bit of heat. So, and all of the pantry is from a pantry box. You will also see another one will be coming up soon. I'm not telling you guys about that one. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss the other one. See you guys soon. Let's go into the kitchen. Okay guys, I'm going to do the quinoa first, and then I'm going to chop the red onion and the carrots and put them in the oven. So let's do the quinoa first. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of oil, but that's optional, you don't have to. I'm going to use a little bit of coconut oil, about 2 teaspoons. Yeah, that would be good. About 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Okay. Okay guys, I already rinsed the quinoa. You rinse the coating off it. Otherwise it's gonna be a little bitter. You have a different taste. It tastes, if you don't do the don't rinse the quinoa, it has a bitter taste to it. And trust me, I know that from experience. Okay, I'm just gonna fry this up a little bit. Just a little, not much. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And this is where if you want to add some turmeric, because I usually do a little bit of turmeric when I do my quinoa also. Turmeric and a little bit of black pepper. But turmeric is optional, you don't have to. But turmeric is very good for you too. It's a cousin to ginger, so it's very good for your digestive system. Okay, now I'm going to add the broth. You don't have to use chicken broth. You can use water. This is chicken broth, but you can use vegetable broth or beef broth. And guys, all the ingredients will be in the description below. And taste for salt. Okay, that salt is very good. Okay, so now I'm gonna lower it and put it or cook it on a medium to low heat, somewhere in between there. It's not high, it has to be medium to low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, we're getting the onion and we're gonna do the carrots. A little bit of coconut oil. Remember, you can use any oil that you have available, olive oil. Okay guys, sometimes I use the corn oil. You can use whatever oil that you have. I'll leave the info in the description below. A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of chicken seasoning. You can use vegetable seasoning. Remember, You can always substitute whatever chicken seasoning I use. You can use vegetable seasoning to go with it. Okay. Oh guys, you can use the Italian herbs on this too. This would be perfect. That would be perfect too. If you have that, you can put some basil, oregano, thyme. Oh, the list is endless. Just do you, boo. Just do you. Okay. The oven is at preheating the oven right now. It's at 350, 375. Okay, we'll do the carrots. That's the oven already. A little bit of oil. A little bit of salt. Ooh. A little bit of chicken seasoning. And a little bit of black pepper. Using this one because I don't have a lot of carrots, so this quart size would be perfect. Thanks to my sister for buying all my kitchen supplies. Thanks, Chair. Okay guys, now I'm going to put this in the oven. The chicken is already in the oven roasting. And we have the quinoa on. Hey, we're doing a thing, we're doing a thing. So pop this, and then we'll do the beans. Okay guys, I have a little bit of oil in there, just a little bit. I'll put a little bit of onion in here. It's the same onion that I use, the roast onion, red onion also. I mean, you know, just keep it as we go. Okay guys, I'm just adding a little bit of seasoning. I put a little bit of salt, a little bit of chicken seasoning, and black pepper. Okay guys, I have the canned beans. If you're using the canned beans, don't forget you need to rinse the canned beans off. If you're going to use it for a salad, because you can have the quinoa cold and you can have it warm or hot. I prefer mine's hot. And keep an eye on that. Lower the stove a little bit. That's not going to take too long, guys. Oh, guys, look at the quinoa. Ah, I need a fork, I need a fork, I need a fork. Okay, this is done. Turn this off. And the quinoa is done, guys. And then we'll put everything together once everything finished cooking. The chicken, the carrots, the onion, the beans. Guys, this is gonna be good. And this is all from the pantry. You would not believe it. I couldn't believe it when I got the pantry box and I have quinoa and I was like, what? Yeah, this is a video. I wish if I had took a picture of what was in there. My sister reminded me about that, but I already undo everything. But I'll go back. I really just go mostly for the fruits and veggies. They have a lot of good fruits and vegetables. Because we got apples, plums. We got plums. We got apples. We got plums. What else we got? It was apples, plums. Was the fresh fruits. I think we had, yeah. And they got chicken. I didn't even know they gave away chicken too. They had chicken, um, orange juice, simple something orange juice, um, and also almond milk. I drink almond milk. And they had oat milk too. I didn't even know that. They had oat milk in there too. It was interesting. I like that box. Okay guys, let me stop messing around with it. Alright. See you in a few when I put everything together. Okay guys, the beans is done. You see, we don't need a lot of everything. We just put everything together and it's going to make a nice meal. So don't say that it's just a little bit. Well, alright, it is, you know, but don't worry. You'll see. Okay guys, this is the roasted carrots, and this is my roasted onions. Looking good, looking good. So I'll just transfer the carrots into something else, and this is the baked chicken. Looking wonderful, if I say so myself. Okay guys, this is the setup, and we're gonna build both of the dishes. It's pretty much the same thing. The only thing that will be different is the black beans, the two different way I did the black beans, prepare the black beans. So let's do the building. Okay guys, I'm gonna build two different quinoa balls. I'm just gonna cut the chicken. Okay, let's build the first bowl. Will be a little bit of quinoa. I'm gonna first use the beans that I had cooked with a little bit of red onion, the roasted red onions. Did this come out good, guys? Looking good there, right? Some of the roasted carrots, chicken. Okay guys, if you don't want to have chicken with this is right there. That is a perfect dish right there for any vegetarians. This is it right here. But meat lovers like myself, we like chicken. So we have the quinoa, and there we go guys. And that's it. Okay. Take a little bit of everything. And we're gonna taste it. Well, I'm gonna taste it. Try to get a little bit of everything. Oops, I didn't get any red onion. There we go. Oh my god guys, this is good. Guys, you can eat it healthy even from the pantry. Look at this. This is right from the pantry. Okay, we'll put this one aside. Look what I did, the damage I did already with it. And we'll build the other one with the canned black beans. Some quinoa. And guys, as I said, everything, all the ingredients and instructions of how to prepare everything will be in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'm putting a little bit of carrots. My little bit and everybody else little bit is just different, right guys? Okay guys, if you have any dishes that you would like me to prepare, you can leave it in the comment below, or you can tap me on my Instagram page. All over Instagram or Facebook. There we go. There is the other one, and this one is with the canned black beans. This is just the canned black beans without the onion. No onions in here. What you guys think? A thumbs up? Up. Again, a little bit of everything. I think I have more black beans on this one. Oh guys, this is so good guys. All the carrots, the black beans, the red onion, a piece of chicken, and the quinoa. Hey, dinner is served.